What is hardenability? To understand the concept of hardenability, let us consider a steel rod. Let us harden this steel rod by quenching method. That is, first heat it till austenite temperature. Then, allow this heated rod in open air to get cooled. After some time, we see that the surface of the rod gets cooled more rapidly as compared to the center of the rod. In simple words, we can say that the hardness is maximum at the rod surface and decreases till the center of the rod. Martensite forms at the surface of the steel rod, whereas perlite forms at the center of the steel rod. Therefore, we get the depth of hardening existing in the steel rod. This phenomenon of decrease of hardness from steel surface to its core is called hardenability. Thus, hardenability is the ability of steel to harden itself throughout its cross-section without resorting to drastic quenching. Note that steel is said to have a good hardenability when the decrease in hardness towards center is very low. On the other hand, a low hardenability shows a steep hardness gradient from surface towards center. Related terms are